I hope you're well and doing good. I have just unboxed my Echo Show 8 from Amazon Alexa, and there's loads of options on this. These are the features it has. It has 8-inch HD screen, camera with audio, auto, Bluetooth. You can see all the options here, and I'm quite pleased with this. I normally like to listen to music in my kitchen. You can always play YouTube on here if you want to watch some recipe or anything like that, and I'm quite pleased with this. You can also listen to music, radios or things like that. So if you want like YouTube, you say, Alexa, can you put on YouTube please?
Here is YouTube.
So there you go. You can watch whatever you like. You can say, Alexa, can you put on Sonia Solanki's Cuisine?
Here's what I found.
So as you can see, so if you press this, here Sonia Solanki's Cuisine, you can see all my videos on here. You can watch all my vlogs, my cooking videos. For example, I would put on like parda biryani for instance, and my recipe would come up. Yeah. Biryani recipe. There you go. Look, I'll show you some more. You can also listen to radios, any radio you want. You can also listen to radio, for example, Alexa, can you put on Sunrise Radio?
Here's what I found.
Right, when you say Alexa go home, it will go back to home, and then you can command again, Alexa, can you put on Sunrise Radio?
Sunrise Radio from TuneIn.
Your favourite shows are back on Sky TV.
There you go. You can listen to any radio, or you can watch any YouTube channels, or just listen to anything you want. I would personally recommend the Echo Show 8, and the screen I find is quite good. It's 8-inch. It's also good for video calling, or if you have an Alexa in the other room, for example your bedroom upstairs, and you can always say, Alexa, drop in call to master bedroom. And then you can speak to anybody you like in the master bedroom.
Yeah.
I didn't catch the other thing.
As you can see, I'm trying to talk to my daughter on the other side. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you with a new video soon. Thank you for watching.